Hey, how's it going? Today is Friday, and a hurricane is actually headed my way. It's supposed to get here by Sunday. I'm just taking this last opportunity to go out for a ride on the one wheel in town, and then I'm going to evacuate this afternoon. The weather outside is just absolutely wonderful, which is funny considering a hurricane is headed our way. It's probably in the 70s right now with a nice breeze. It feels great. It's like weather where I can stay outside all day long. And I'm gonna stay outside as long as my battery holds up. Damages. this time in the park next to my apartment. It's just little branches and leaves. You can see the neighborhood's come out and they've already started cleaning up. So everything will be back to normal pretty soon. I just rode around the neighborhood a little bit. Roads are all pretty alright. Some of them are, just like you just saw on the last clip of me riding around the sidewalk, they're just covered in leaves and twigs. So it's really not that bad in comparison to Matthew, when instead of just leaves and twigs, you had trees down like every street. So I feel pretty good about it. I think the city will get back on its feet a lot quicker. Yesterday there was like 120,000 people without power, and today there's 54,000. So they're definitely making improvements a lot quicker than last time. So hopefully there's not any major damage and everybody can get their power back on in the next day or so. I'm fortunate that I have power on right now, and I don't even know if my apartment ever lost power. Because it really, usually at my apartment it floods, and this time I can't tell that it ever even flooded. Usually there's a line in the grass of leaves and stuff that got washed up into the yard, but this time I don't see any. So overall this is pretty good. I'm going to ride around on the one wheel a bit and then stay inside. Now here's one of the main things I've noticed in the park I usually ride at. It's just that some of the younger trees, they leaned over in the wind, but nothing fell over. So they should be able to fix that. Other than that little tree, there's just these little branches, like I said, laying around everywhere. And somebody's already piled up everything in the main park. Now this is off to the side of the park. So I don't know, I might come back over here and pile up all these near the road so it makes cleanup easier for the city folk. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my one wheel inside and then get some work gloves and put all this in a pile. Be my little contribution.